I said, I gave three qualities of this love story. It's transcendental, transforming, and transporting. So then I said these three things, and I supported them and explained how is it transcendental, how is it transforming, and how is it transporting. Transforming means taking what you are, taking a caterpillar and making a butterfly. And transporting means taking it from here to across to another place. You get in my ocean liner and I'll transport you across the Atlantic Ocean from New York to Paris. But this is a different kind of transportation. So let's see. So I say they're transcendental, transforming, and transporting. Now the proof, the praman. I'm saying any form of sensual or mental contact. Sensual means you see Rasa Lila, you hear the songs of Rasa Lila, you read about Rasa Lila with your eyes. These are the senses, eyes and ears. Or I said any sensual or mental contact. Mental contact means your eyes are closed, your ears are closed. You can even, close them with different mudras. Do anahata shabda meditation of the 7 subtle sounds inside the heart, the anahata shabda. This is the anahata chakra. There's a yoga like that. Anahata shabda yoga. So they do like this and that, like this. So now all senses are blocked and you're only meditating on Rasa Lila, Rasa Lila dhyan, Rasa Krida dhyan, meditating on Rasa Lila. And what happens? Any form of sensual or mental contact with Radha and Krishna's divine pastimes, not only Rasa Lila, will purify one's being and elevate one to the transcendental plane of eternal life. Now transformation. That's transcendental. In addition, one's mind will be transformed, overhauled, so to speak. One will attain, I said one's mind and hearts, one will attain a new heart. Not a heart transplant, heart transformation, a heart transform plant, transformation. Because we don't really want to have a heart transplant because our heart is full of greed and envy and anger. And we take it out and get somebody else's heart, and we put a new heart in our body, and their heart is also full of lust, anger, and greed. So even if we transplant hearts from one material person to another, we haven't transformed consciousness, and we haven't transformed our lives or existence or vision. So this transformation is extraordinary. One will attain a new and sanctified heart and an immaculately pure mind. What is the definition of an immaculately pure mind? Totally devoid of lust, anger, greed, envy, and pride. Then, in the transcendental vehicle, Vahan or Viman, in the transcendental vehicle of one's pure mind, then the transcendental vehicle of one's pure mind and heart will transport one to the spiritual realm, Goloka Vrindavan, wherein one will joyfully live, sport, play, love, and relish boundless bliss in the eternal association of Sri Sri Srimati Radharani and Bhagavan Sri Krishna. All around us we see that Kamdev, the king of mundane lust and desire, has conquered the kingdoms. The Kamadev king and kingdom has conquered the kingdoms of everyone's heart, leaving one and all in a perpetual state of anxiety, tension, frustration, and dissatisfaction. Many, many love stories full of intrigue, competition, arguments, and romantic interludes have come and gone. Yet still we remain suffering from the searing pain of unrequited lust, that continually itching inner hankering for ultimate bliss and fulfillment. In other words, the searing pain of unrequited lust, dash, what is that lust? Lust is that continually itching inner hankering for ultimate bliss and fulfillment. A question then arises: how can I get free from lust and discover the unique inner bliss that's my very birthright as a human being? How can I touch the love and joy that hides within transcendence? How can I touch the love and joy that hides within transcendence? Radha and Krishna have revealed the secret by saying, "Come, my children, come enter our Rasa Lila. We guarantee that your mind and heart will be fully conquered by our immaculately pure and sweet, selfless love." All the famous love stories, be they past, present, or personal, are certainly very compelling, exciting, and heart-stirring, but none of them have the power to spiritualize one's existence and free one from the cycle of birth and death, samsara. And they can never give one the sweet taste of bliss that never ends. However, there is one love story from time eternal, the divine love story of Radha and Krishna, the Rasa Lila, which definitely gives any partaker the boundless joy arising from a pure mind and the ultimate bliss and fulfillment arising from a fully satisfied, love-drenched heart. At the end of his Bhagavatam Rasa Lila narration, 10th canto, chapter 33, verse 39, Shukamuni offers the following gift, blessing, and benediction to all of his readers. He says, Shukamuni says, anyone who faithfully hears or describes Bhagavan Sri Krishna's playful, loving, divine loving affairs with the young damsels of Braj will attain the topmost form of devotion for Sri Krishna, that is, the sweet, selfless love that Srimati Radharani cherishes for her beloved Shyamsundar. End of quote. That's the gift. That's the blessing. As Sri Radha's love floods the heart, simultaneously one becomes quickly free from lust, the incurable disease of the heart. One becomes peaceful and wise, feeling completely refreshed, content, fulfilled, and satisfied. On one side, Kamdev rules the world, conquering everyone's hearts with lust and desire. On the other side, Kamadev, Sri Krishna, the Aprakrita Madan, Sakshat Manmata, is waiting to conquer our hearts with his love. By the mercy of Sri Krishna and the power of Rasa Lila, everyone can attain a full life of bliss, joy, and satisfaction by serving, playing, dancing, and whirling around and around with Radha and Krishna in their endless dance of pure love, the Rasa Lila.